Hey guys, what's up? We are sitting here watching a creepy video, and we just heard some scrapings over outside this room.
Yeah, and coincidence, we're watching March 18th, 3 a.m. videos like that, and now they're scraping in my house.
Yeah, there was random scrapings, and yeah, there's still fog in the window. That's creepy too.
Yeah.
Jesus. Like, really? Oh
Yeah,
my God.
it started again for a few seconds, but it stopped.
Yeah, it just stopped.
He may record again if it happens, so anyone who's subscribed to his channel can hear it.
Yeah.
But, yeah, it's creepy.
Yeah,
And
we just
what
had...
a coincidence. We're watching creepy videos.
Yeah.
So, yeah, and if you don't know who I am, I'm one of his friends.
Yeah. I mentioned him in a couple of videos. Anyways, I'll come back to this if I do see any more scrapings, hear it, and I'll get my phone up and running. Though I do have to edit this if I can. What the hell was that?
I don't know.
Stop.
That's just my...
Turn back on the video, whatever. Just turn that back on. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.